Why is garlic one of the most powerful remedies on earth? Sure, garlic may be able to ward off those blood-sucking vampires in your favorite classic scary movies. But what makes garlic so powerful that it can stop a vampire in its tracks? The secrets lie in the amazing healing properties found within each clove. Garlic is one of the most popular ingredients found in kitchens worldwide. Who doesn't enjoy the delicious and pungent taste of garlic bread fresh out of the oven? It may taste good, but there's so much more to garlic that you may not be aware of. A 12-week study with over 100 participants showed that those who took garlic supplements had less chances of developing the common cold compared to those who took a placebo instead. If previously infected, garlic supplements were able to speed up recovery time. How exactly was this possible? Well, garlic is rich in essential vitamins and nutrients like allicin, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. These, together with other nutrients, work together to help boost your immune system. Let's face it, no one wants to be sick. Especially in the winter when Santa comes sneaking down the chimney on Christmas Eve. If you want to improve your mental and physical health to live a better life and be happier, subscribe for more natural remedies and health tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are uploaded to the channel. Here are 7 major health benefits of garlic. Number 1. Improved immune system. Number 2. Improved bone health. Number 3. Reduced cholesterol. Number 4. Reduces aging. Number 5. Helps lower blood sugar levels. Number 6. Soothes ear infection symptoms. Number 7. Toothache pain relief. According to Prescription for Herbal Healing, the recommended dosage of garlic extract is about 4 grams of fresh garlic. This herbal remedy reference guide also gives a natural remedy to help get rid of ear infections. To make your own garlic oil to soothe your ear infection, you will need 1 part garlic and 5 parts olive oil. All you need to do is steep the fresh or crushed garlic in the olive oil and allow the mixture to sit for about 2 weeks. As with any other herb or supplement, you have to be careful consuming garlic if you have serious health issues. Do not take garlic with blood thinning medication because the garlic will add to the medicine's effects. Remember to consult with your doctor if you are pregnant or taking prescription medications. With all the amazing health benefits of garlic that we covered in this video, it should be a no-brainer to add garlic to your shopping list. Consuming just a little garlic during your daily self-care routine will help improve your physical and mental health.